on the earth. If it is taken to the moon, its mass will be the options are 12 kg, second 6 kg, third is 2 kg, and fourth is 72 kg. Then question number 2, the weight of a body is 120 Newton on the earth. If it is taken to the moon, its weight will be about 120 Newton, B 60 Newton, C 20 Newton, and D 720 Newton. So, what will be the answers of this question? So, in question number 1, they are talking about mass. Mass of a body is measured to be 12 kg on the earth. If it is taken to the moon, its mass will be. Mass is always constant. The quantity of matter contained in an object is always constant. It will not change. So whether it will be on other planet or moon or somewhere, its mass will be same. So A option is correct. Answer is A, that is 12 kg. Now second question. The weight of a body is 120 Newton on the earth. If it is taken to moon, its weight will be about. So now we have derived a formula. The formula which we have derived, what is the ratio? That Wm is equal to We by 6, isn't it? So weight of a body is 120 Newton on earth. So what will be its weight on moon? So 120 by 6, because on moon it will be 1/6 what is the weight on earth. So 1/6 of 120, it will be 20 Newton. So answer is C, 20 Newton. Now next question. Children, another topic which we have left, because sometimes questions asked from that portion only, that variation of acceleration due to gravity with height. I am writing variation in acceleration due to gravity with height. So earlier we have derived a formula. We know that the relation between small g and capital G. So we know that G is equal to Gme by Re square. You all are familiar with this equation, very important equation. Now let G dash is the acceleration due to gravity at a height h above the earth surface. Then equation 1 can be written as now what will be the change in equation 1? We assume that acceleration due to gravity at certain height is g dash. So in place of g, we will write g dash, gravitational constant mass of the earth, and here we have taken a height h above the earth's surface. So when the object is very close to or near the earth's surface, then we are taking this radius of the earth. Now suppose object is somewhere here, so this height is h from the earth's surface. So then you have to take this height also. So we can write Re plus h whole square. Now take the ratio of these two. It means divide equation 2 by equation 1. So you can write g dash by g is equal to Gme Re plus h whole square divided by Gme by Re square. So if you will simplify, it will be Gme Re plus h whole square, and this can be written as Re square by Gme. So Gme cancel. So g dash by g, or we can write or g dash is equal to g Re. Re means radius of the earth whole square. So very important equation this is, that acceleration due to gravity at certain height is equal to acceleration due to gravity on earth and radius of earth plus radius of earth and the height. So must remember equation 3, because you can get numericals based on this formula also. Now children, based on that formula, giving a question, a particle weighs 120 Newton on the surface of the earth at what height above the earth surface will its weight be 30 Newton and radius of earth is given RE. I am writing radius of earth is given 6400 kilometer. So radius of earth is given. So we know that the weight is equal to mg. So we can write weight on earth surface is mg and weight at certain height suppose it is mg dash. So from this equation only you can write mg dash is equal to mg multiplying both sides with m, mass of the object. Now this mg dash is given, weight at certain height is given 30 Newton. So we will write 30. Weight on earth surface mg is given, so we will write 120, and then we have re plus h whole square. Now this can be further written as 30 by 120 is equal to re plus h whole square. Now got it, it should be 30 4 120. So you will get 1 by 4. 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square, and right side we have re plus h whole square. So this square is square cancel. So we will get 1 by 2 is equal to re plus h. Now this can be written as further cross multiplication. So re plus h is equal to 2re, or we can write h is equal to 2re minus re, so it will be re only. So that height should be equal to re, and re is 6400 kilometer. So at a height 6400 kilometer above the earth's surface, the weight of that object will be 1/4. It means 30 Newton. So you can also get questions based on this formula. Now giving one more question. Question number, I think this is 4. Suppose the earth shrinks such that its radius decreases to half So children, in this question, suppose the earth shrinks such that its radius decreases to half the present value. What will be the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth? So, how to solve this question? Suppose the earth shrinks such that radius decreases to half the present value. What will be the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth? So, we know that acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is how much? This is acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. We know that. Then assume, according to question, it is also given, according to question, the radius shrinks and it decreases to half. The earth shrinks and the radius decreases to half. So according to question, the radius now RE by 2. Let G dash is the new acceleration due to gravity. So we can write G dash is equal to G ME. In place of RE we will write RE by 2 whole square. According to question, the radius decreases to half its previous value. So if you will simplify, it will be G dash GME RE square by 4, and this can be written as 4 GME by RE square, and this can be written as 4 into G, because G is equal to GME by RE square. This much quantity, this is equal to G from equation 1. So on earth value of G is 9.8, so it will be 9.8 into 4. So 8 4s are 32, 3 36 and 3 39. So it will be 39.2 meter per second square. So this type of questions you will get. Now today I will give some more questions. You watch this video. I think this video is about 40 minutes duration, and for 10 minutes I will give some objective question, and you have to solve these objective question in 10 minutes and send the answers in my WhatsApp number. Okay, children.